A brand new hospital is getting ready to open in the small town of Fraser.
Now, despite a fast-growing community and just being down the road from Winter Park, it's the first of its kind hospital in that area. Our man in the mountains, Matt Renew, is live in Fraser this morning. And Matt, the Fraser Health Medical Facility should open up here in about a month.
You're right, Corey and Jordan. Good morning. A lot of people say it's long overdue. You know, Grand County is one of the most spread out in Colorado, and this part of the county, one of the fastest growing in the state. But for medical needs, people have either been going to clinics or hospitals miles and miles away, even going to Denver. So this medical facility has been designed to fill those gaps. In downtown Fraser, just off Highway 40, is a Middle Park Health Hospital that's so new.
We're at our new facility.
They just started putting up the lettering, and Jason Kleckler,
My name is Jason Kleckler. I'm the CEO of Middle Park Health.
says is long overdue in this part of Grand County.
We'll be serving the communities from Tabernash, Fraser, and Winter Park.
Their hospital in Kremling is more than 60 miles away. Their facility in Granby, 25 miles away.
When folks came up and if they had an illness or an injury, they didn't really know that there was a facility 25 miles to the north.
So this new hospital set to open in just a few weeks and see its first patients on June 23rd.
We will be focused on emergency and urgent type care.
Has been built with a second floor to expand and will be closer for people in need of emergency care.
And then over here would be our 2 trauma rooms.
In this fast-growing community around Winter Park.
We're projecting significant growth. It's happening now, but we see it really increasing over the next several years. Therefore, this facility will be here to kind of grow with the community.
This entire hospital project has cost a little more than $30 million, but Middle Park Health also doing a capital campaign project trying to raise about $5 million to help offset some of those costs. Important with rural medicine like this. They're about halfway there. You can go to Middle Park Health website to learn more about it. When this facility does open, it's going to be primarily emergency room care, trauma care, but again, they left that second floor open for expansion, so in the future, they can do scheduled surgeries, primary care, orthopedic care up on that second floor. Reporting from Fraser, I'm Matt Renew, 9 News. Corey, Jordan, they're going to have a big ribbon cutting here on June 17th. And then again, those first patients should start showing up at this hospital on June 23rd, right before the busy 4th of July holiday.
And boy, when you're talking about emergency services, seconds matter. So it's going to be great to have a hospital in the area, Matt.
You're absolutely right, Jordan, and that's what they're thinking here. I mean, even with the closest hospital being in Granby, 25 miles away, that's a long time to get somewhere when you need emergency care. And so this is going to speed that up, especially so close to a ski area like Winter Park.
Yeah, boy, is that true. And year-round, you've got mountain biking
Yep.
and skiing and snowboarding. So this is so needed for that area. Matt, thank you.